Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Belvoir monthly crypto update for the month of February 2022. Today's headlines are: Bitcoin's market cap has overtaken that one of the Russian ruble. The crypto and DeFi in the context of the war in the Ukraine and the geopolitical crisis. The question if Bitcoin will fall and test the level of 20,000 US dollars in this crypto winter, and the report of the crypto alpha strategy, which is down 2% in February, and the DeFi income strategy, which is up 0.62% in the month of February as well. We will give you a quick outlook at the end. My name is Adrian Marcu, and I am head of investment solutions and digital assets here at Belvoir Capital. For further information, please feel free to visit us on our website, www.belvoircapital.com. The details. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a sad month. This month of February 2022, a war broke out in Europe. The Russian troops have invaded the Ukrainian territory, and I am very sorry and feel very sorry for all victims of this conflict. What does it have to do with Bitcoin and blockchain? The Western countries have issued sanctions, and one of the sanctions, as many of you are aware, is to cut off Russia from the SWIFT payment system. And also Google Pay and Apple Pay are not working anymore in Russia. People have realized it. They have serious issues with payment infrastructure in Russia. They've realized it, and we are facing a bank run in Russia now. People are queuing up for banks to save their savings. And as a consequence, the market cap of Bitcoin has risen to 770 billion US dollars. And the outstanding value of the Russian ruble measured in money supply M2 is at $660 billion worth of value, which means that Bitcoin market value has overtaken the one of the Russian ruble. As a consequence, the Russian ruble has fallen roughly 40% now in a week. This is a total collapse of the currency. And Bitcoin and cryptos are decentralized currencies. And the people who had cryptos can still use them. The value has stayed more or less stable, and you can execute payments through this decentralized facility. Of course, for the people in the Ukraine who lost their savings, access to banks, and not only their savings, but much more, the few ones who have crypto and managed to flee either the country or are still in the country, crypto serves as a mean of payment, which is also still working, and it's pretty mobile, and people can take it with them and are independent from central institutions, either domestic or foreign ones. Cold storage is the safest way to store cryptocurrencies. If it's not your keys, it's not your coins, some people say. So if you keep it on a software wallet, or best thing on a cold storage hardware wallet, then especially for the people who are in these crisis regions, then it's really safe, and there is no credit risk with any other counterparty in the middle. Our next topic is the ongoing crypto winter, which we have mentioned in the last two editions of our monthly updates. And the question is Bitcoin going to test the 20,000 US dollar levels? At the moment, we're pretty far away. We trade around 38,000. Now we're around 44, 45,000, $43,000 in Bitcoin. And the broad market, of course, is in tandem. But if we look at this chart here, in 2018, there was a major breakout level around the $20,000 level, and we went up to 69,000, as we all know, in November last year. And we have an uptrend, which started in 2015 around $500. This is a logarithmic scale chart. And the next serious support is around $20,000, which from current level is more than 50% off again. And the discussion is still ongoing. So on one hand, people are having this opportunity, this chance in Eastern Europe and Russia to flee into crypto, one of the few means they still have to try to save their savings as a private person and private companies. On the other hand, there is stress in the market and downside pressure. So we have seen a little bit of an up move from 38,000 to 43,000, which was said to be on the back of Russians buying Bitcoin in order to rescue some of their values of their savings. But on the other hand, stress in the market could lead the market back to the downtrend. And the question if Bitcoin is going to trade around 20,000 US dollars again. Regarding our crypto alpha strategy, we did take another hit in the last move on February 24th, when the geopolitical crisis in the Ukraine really broke out. The market collapsed in this day. On the other hand, we did not lose so much in this strategy. We ended the month only down 2% and reduced the risk a little bit in the entire strategy since by just simply scaling down all positions for the time being. We're going to go back to normal trading positions as soon as we have the impression that the market is more or less behaving in a neutral way. Regarding the DeFi income strategy, we had a very positive month of February, again 0.62% up. The certificate is listed on the Stuttgart exchange in Germany, and the strategy is actually behaving as it should, slowly but surely crawling upwards with almost no volatility. And it has proven once again that even in very stressed times and uncertain conditions, the stable coins in the market are keeping up. They're functioning. The systems, the trading protocols are functioning. We see no breakdowns. The decentralized ledger technology is working as anticipated, which is a very, very good sign for the technology itself and cryptocurrencies in general. So this is a true alternative to all conservative strategies or even cash and money market, at least to have a little bit of it and generate some very conservative returns. For the month of March, we are pretty optimistic regarding the DeFi income strategy to deliver again a steady return as anticipated and planned. For the crypto alpha strategy, we are also very optimistic. After a decent drawdown, statistically, we would expect a decent recovery in the next months to come. We wish everybody really all the best for the future. Thank you for tuning in and listening to this monthly update. If you have any questions, we would be very thankful. Please contact us through LinkedIn or by sending us an email. Thank you very much and all the best.